On this video today I'm going to show you what yeast infections is and the causes, symptoms, and treatments. Hey everyone, it's Dr. Alan here again from Health and Fitness Advisor, where we post videos answering your health and fitness questions that might be bothering you. And also teach you on how to get your sound health back in a simplified manner. If this is the first time you've come to our channel, go down the bottom, hit that subscribe button, turn on all the notifications so that we can grow together in sound health and you don't miss out on any of the good stuff that is happening here. It is now known that the first step in treating yeast infections is to get to the root of the problem. Since you are dealing with the mouth, your approach should be much different than what you would use for vaginal infections. If you follow the steps above, you will find relief very quickly and without having to go through the discomfort and embarrassment of dealing with a yeast infection on the lips or inside of the mouth. A lot of the women who have vaginal infections go to the store to buy over-the-counter medication. This isn't because they don't want to use an over-the-counter medication, but it is because they don't understand how to treat a yeast infection on the lips or inside of the mouth. The same is true for yeast infections on the tongue. The symptoms of an oral yeast infection are pretty much the same as that of a vaginal infection. The big difference is that once you have a vaginal infection, it is hard to determine that it is from a yeast infection, so women just assume that it is a yeast infection. By the time they realize that the symptoms they are experiencing are caused by a yeast infection, it is too late. Yeast thrives in warm and moist areas, so if you notice the symptoms, it is most likely caused by an infection. Your body has several areas where yeast grows and multiplies. The most common place for a yeast infection to grow is the mouth. Once you start to see the symptoms of an oral yeast infection, you can start treating it in the most natural way possible. Eating yogurt is a good thing to do. You should start by eating 1 or 2 tablespoons of yogurt per day. Since you are only going to be eating a small amount, you will be able to eat as much as you like. However, you will be adding sugar to your diet, so it is not really recommended for a diabetic person to eat as much yogurt as they want. It should be a supplement for a diabetic diet. However, if you want to avoid any type of sugar or other type of sugar, make sure you get a good product. The best type of yogurt for an oral yeast infection is plain unsweetened yogurt. Make sure you get the label before you purchase the yogurt to be sure that you are getting plain unsweetened yogurt. After you start eating the yogurt, you will be surprised at how fast you will start to feel better. The best part is that you can continue eating the yogurt for as long as you need to take care of the infection. There is no reason to stop treating the infection. As long as you keep up with the yogurt, you will eventually feel better. Another treatment for yeast infections on the lips or inside of the mouth is to use tea tree oil. All you have to do is mix a small amount of the oil with warm water and drink the mixture. It is good for both vaginal and oral yeast infections. I would recommend that you use some of these natural home remedies as a way to try to cure the yeast infection. But before you start drinking tea tree oil or eating yogurt, you should talk to your doctor about your medical condition. They can help you identify whether your genital area is a yeast infection or if you have a more serious vaginal infection. If you think that you may have a genital infection, it is important to start treating it immediately. When you have an infection, it is not healthy for you and your sex partner. It can be hard to believe that yeast infections can happen to women, but they can. However, there are remedies for yeast infections that you can use at home. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button in appreciation, go down the bottom and comment, let me know what you thought of this video, and don't forget to also check our blog. The link is in our description below this video. Let us know how we can help you for a better health and more importantly so we can grow together. Thank you so much for watching another one of our videos. I'm Dr. Alan from Health and Fitness Advisor, and until next time, please stay safe and goodbye.